Alrighty, happy Friday, everybody. Back out in the garage here. This week's project we got working on, I got some product reviews. Let me see if I pull this up here. But I've got plans on hanging my wife's wreath, so I had to buy some tools to get the job done. So hence why I'm here. First product we got, it's kind of I call it T-gauges. But what the actual Amazon viewing on it is Keyworks 5/16 to 6-inch telescopic tool here. It comes in this blue package. Almost reminds me of when I was in Afghanistan unwrapping Russian-made parts. But as you can see here, you've got your 1/2 inch to 3/4, 2 1/8 to 3 1/2, 3/4 to 1 1/4, 3 1/2 to 6 inch is I guess the big boy. And we got the small one, the 5/16 to a 1/2 inch, and then we've got the 30. Well, it's a 1 1/4 to 2 1/8. So taking a wild guess on product here and how it actually works is kind of interesting. You've got the tool here and it should be locked in. I think that's the max. And you've got this tie screw on the bottom of it. You just kind of turn it and it pops it loose. So to demonstrate it, we need something a little bit bigger here. Let's go ahead and go with the second to the top here. That one's a little tough. Okay. You got to make sure it's unscrewed before you engage it. My only other concern, I guess, with this is how much that spring kind of springs out when you twist it loose. And that wasn't too bad. I don't know if you can see from this camera angle here, but we'll go ahead and show it on here. But my main goal, I want to use, I guess they've got like a terracotta pot on the edge of our house. And I need to take interior measurements or inner diameter measurements on it just to get something a little more exact so I can 3D print a holder that I could slip into the hole. And what I plan to do is actually drive a screw, if this is a long enough screw, through that 3D printed part that's going to fit inside that terracotta for extra support, run it through the center, and hopefully I can connect that wreath to it. So that's the plan. But I mean, for this, I mean, all you do is put it down inside there, release it, and it should expand out to what you need, and then you kind of set it, and then you just do your exterior measurements with a caliper, and that should get you ballpark pretty rough of close to where you need to go. So I mean, I think this will fit the bill. I think it'll do what I need it to do, and I think it's a pretty good purchase. Trying to think what the price was. I think it was I don't know if they've got it listed here. Yeah, it was $16.47. Grand total with tax $17.86. So I mean, for a tool that I'll probably use it more than once. I've got other uses for it. It was the main reason I kind of pulled the trigger on it. I mean, I told my wife that's what I needed for Christmas, but I had to buy it early because she wants that thing hung before Christmas. But yeah, that's one of the two purchases I've made in the last 2 weeks here. I thought I'd share it with you. And anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching.